Holo Price Prediction 2021. Be wary of anyone that lays claims on predicting exact price for any token. We won't be playing that game but rather offer a thought framework on what HOT could do in 2021. Welcome to yet another video from Bashbox. Hit the subscribe button for more of these news. Without any further delays, let's get started. HOT, as the rest of the market, it is tied at the hip of Bitcoin's price action. If Bitcoin embarks on another bull run, HOT can hope for one as well. Bitcoin usually has a cool-off phase after its mega bull runs, and that is when the altcoins take over and have a field day with the bulls, often doubling or tripling their price within days. With the pandemic breakout, the world was sent into hibernation for a couple of months, and it reflected negatively on the cryptocurrencies, sending Bitcoin downhill as we witnessed even 40% daily losses. However, situation quickly stabilized and Bitcoin as the flagbearer took the crypto market back up. We are in a major bull run since the summer, and, if we are listening to the analytics from social media and journalistic desks, we are far away from its local zenith. What this means for Holochain price in 2021? As long as Bitcoin is in the main role and pulling upwards, there is little room for HOT to shine. It will, however, increase its USD-denominated value thanks to the overall rise in crypto prices. Nevertheless, HOT to BTC ratio will probably slump, possibly to all-time lows. This means that it is best to keep your funds in Bitcoin until it reaches its provisional peak, opening the doors for the altcoins to enter the scene. Holochain will not be among the top candidates to record big gains, as the money usually flows from Bitcoin profits to blue-chip altcoins and big-cap coins before trickling down to the less-known and smaller projects. Holo can hope for its turn to shine only if the altcoin season lasts for longer than a month or so. What is Holochain? Innovation behind Holochain. Holo is a marketplace and distributed cloud hosting network, which allows ordinary web users to use peer-to-peer Holochain apps. It does to application hosting what Airbnb does to hotels. It allows anyone with a computer to become an app host and receive payment for hosting distributed applications. Holochain has seen increased adoption recently, with the marketplace welcoming a number of new Holochain applications, HAPs. The Holochain framework is designed to provide developers with a cheaper and more scalable alternative to traditional blockchains. The platform offers lower costs, has no traditional consensus algorithms, and ensures instant transaction finality thanks to its distributed hash table, DHT. Aiming to build a more human internet and minimize corporate control, Holochain serves to give people control of their own data. At the same time, it connects and transacts with applications that meet application hosts' needs without control from centralized entities. Holochain can be considered a post-blockchain technology that does not require mining or staking. The energy needed to generate Holo tokens is tiny compared to blockchain. The platform is all about individual source chains, with independent nodes that are validated against each other. It enables hosts to operate numerous full nodes, even on a mobile device. Holochain, HOT, price prediction and analysis. Holo underwent an initial community offering in April 2018. Eventually, 177.6 billion HOT was minted, with 133.2 billion, 75%, allocated for public sale and another 44.4 billion, 25%, kept for the company and its team. The company planned that HOT tokens would be exchanged at a 1-to-1 ratio for Holo Fuel tokens. Holo Fuel has no supply limit. It is controlled algorithmically, expanding and contracting according to demand. Holo believes this will help to make the price of its tokens relatively stable rather than subject to wild price swings. Holo started surging mid-March 2021 before the patent announcement. Since the beginning of February, the price of HOT, USD has rocketed by more than 2,000%. It is a huge move for the cryptocurrency, in which trade was almost flat until the recent price spike. Holochain Price Prediction 2025. This one is a long shot. Holo first needs to establish a solid footing in the whole blockchain 2.0 world before anyone serious can dare to predict its price 5 years from now. Hot coin price prediction. Market predictions. To analyze Holochain's future price, let's take a look at some of the latest hot coin price predictions. Coinpedia believes that Holo's price can reach 70 cents by the end of the year and move further in January 2022, hitting a milestone of $1. Coinpedia's analysts expect HOT to trade at $2 by the end of 2022. Trading Beasts forecasts Holo's price will reach 3 cents in December 2021 and move up to 4 cents by the end of 2023. Digital Coin also shares a conservatively bullish view in its Holo crypto price prediction, expecting a gradual increase from 3 cents in 2021 to 4 cents in 2023, 7 cents in 2025 and eventually 10 cents in 2028. Parting thoughts. Holochain remains one of the most innovative and radical approaches to the decentralized future and as such is exposed to the biggest upside but also biggest risk of extinction. 2021 will be extremely important for the Holochain team to deliver solid chunks of the promised technology and to snatch an enterprise-level partnership that would take the project to the edge of mainstream adoption. Failing to do so could see Holochain land in the basket of forgotten projects. Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.